Updating your email address on Pandora is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Pandora website or open the app and log into your account using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select email address. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled email or account information. Click on this option to proceed to update your email address. Step 4. Enter new email. Type in your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages from Pandora. Keeping your email address up to date is important for account security and communication.